You think you're a Call of Duty superfan? I just spent a month playing every single game in the series. I'm talking 16 mainline games, 12 spin-offs, and a whole lot of nostalgia. Let's dive in and see how this iconic series has evolved over the years. You'll notice the first Call of Duty, released in 2003, was all about World War II. It set the tone for future games, with its fast-paced action and emphasis on storytelling. As you play through the early games, you'll see how the series slowly shifted towards more modern settings. Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare, released in 2007, is a major turning point. It revolutionized the series and paved the way for future games. But what about the multiplayer? It's a whole different story. You'll see how the series went from basic deathmatch modes to complex, tactical gameplay. And then, there's the spin-offs. Games like Call of Duty, Zombies and Call of Duty, Modern Warfare Mobilized, which offered a fresh take on the series. Now, let's talk about the more recent games. Call of Duty, Black Ops 3, released in 2015, introduced a new movement system, which changed the way you play. And Call of Duty, World War II, released in 2017, took the series back to its roots. But, what's next for Call of Duty? That's a question for another time. For now, let's just say the series is still going strong. So, what did I learn from playing every Call of Duty game? The series has come a long way, but it still has that same addictive gameplay. And, as a gamer, it's amazing to see how the series has evolved over the years. Subscribe for daily entertainment videos.